What did they say?
Epileptic, innit?
So what? You just fell over?
Yeah. Fell out of the wheelchair.
I ain't got no home in this dying world we roam. I'm alone.
So one of the things you're going to see me doing in this video is I'm going to be shooting. There's some people that are they're challenged in their life. They're kind of up against it a little bit. Some of these guys are homeless, and okay, it's like this. One of the things I've been doing in recent years that hasn't sat well with me at all is I've been editing myself as I shoot. I shouldn't shoot this because I shouldn't shoot that because. Years back, I never used to do that. I used to shoot what I felt intuitively that I wanted to shoot. And for me, editing yourself in that way is like detrimental to yourself, to your creativity and your growth as a photographer, kind of as a person. And for me, it feels congruent to not be excluding. Because like if I'm excluding parts of life and people are in life, it's kind of a lie, isn't it? Especially in like 15, 20 years time, people looking back and at perhaps my photography, oh, is that what life was like then? Well, hopefully I'm kind of telling the truth through my photography. So from here on out, I'm not going to be excluding anything or anybody. But for me, like I said, this is about telling the truth with my photography. But hopefully the photographs I got and the stuff that plays out in this video has put me back on the right track. You'll be the judge of that, I suppose. But guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to let this video run, actually, but I'll be interested in your comments and let's see where we end up.
Oh, you know why I feel down? It was that shot that knocked me to the ground. My bloodshot eyes and broken heart, the truth was there and once again found.
Can I get your picture?
You were too scared to
God, the camera's gone off.
understand who
Hold
I
up.
was.
Useless.
I'll smoke my
Hold up
smoke
closer.
and let my sorrow drown.
Got you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
I'll take a picture and watch it in flames.
Oh, what an handsome shot.
But I would rather take you by the
Thank
hand
you, my friend.
as we run away from all our troubles to our dreams. If you let me, oh baby, I know you'd let me anyway. When I remember our first laugh, it takes me back to our first night. It was the first time I could smile, it kept me going for that while. But now I see you as a drug, and now I'm hooked. I know I'm left to die. I take a picture and watch it in flames, but I would rather take you by the hand as we'd run away from all our troubles to our dreams. If you let me, oh baby.
Get one picture? Oh, you're a legend. What's your name?
Sean.
John?
Sean.
Oh, Sean. Where, from Ireland?
English Irish.
Now you know why I was down. It was that shot that knocked me to the ground. It was the last time I could smile. It stopped me going for that while.
Sean, thank you, man.
You were too scared to understand who I was. I think you left this just because a broken mind's a broken dream. with half a mind. I know you twice as me.
Yeah, let me get another one. Hold up. Oh, come on, hold up, wait there. You're too quick for me. Wait.
I've got lads.
I'll stand this way, look. I'll get you. Where's your cigarette gone?
Oh, what cigarette?
It's got to look cool, isn't it?
Oh, I was going to say.
Hold up, wait a minute. God, I can't believe you're so quick for me. Let me get closer. That's it. She don't care. She's confident. See? Got you. Thanks, lovely.
I'm alone.
Oh, legend. What's your name?
I'm alone. I ain't got no home in this dying world we roam. I'm alone.
No, it's nice. It's nice. It's gentrified, isn't it?
Gentrified, yeah.
But oh look.
It's gentrified, isn't it? Gentrification.
Yeah. What's happened to you there?
I had an epileptic fit yesterday.
Fuck
Down
you now.
outside the shop there, yeah. I got knocked down a few weeks ago. Yeah, and then yesterday I had an epileptic fit.
It's mad, mate. So, have you been to the hospital?
Yeah, they stitched it on. And yeah.
What did they say?
Epileptic, innit?
So what? You just fell over?
Yeah. Fell out of the wheelchair.
Flat in his face.
If I die, please take my guitar, send it north to my mom. If I die, before I die,
let me get your picture. I'll do that. Hold up.
don't stand on my name, as we might not meet again before I die.
It's got it. Are you? And I shall send it to you, young lady. Yes. So it's that one, portfolio. What's your name?
Iris.
Right, if you message me, I'll send you. Probably be a couple of days though.
Yeah.
Cheers, son. You too. I love you the most, so long.